So what are you looking for again in this video?
I thought we should do a BERTLIFE video on you cleaning your van.
You think today's gonna be a good day for that? You sure?
Yeah.
I mean, we could.
Listen, everything's content, man, and I just want to get more stuff on the channel, and like, you know, people are asking, they want BERTLIFE back, they want Bert, so.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, we can do this. It's fine.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not that bad. Obviously, I keep my van pretty good, so
Yeah, absolutely.
It's fine. I mean, it's gonna be good. Where goes that? That is actually probably just. That's just. We were mostly. Probably just a bad turn on the way here because it was so early and I was coming to the meeting and we were going fast.
Right. Back will be better.
The back's
you want to try the back door?
Hey guys, Bert here. Just want to do a little video on, you know, keeping your van clean, maintain. Something I can do on the go. Something as a trainer, I make sure I keep it looking decent, you know, even when it's busy. I mean, every once in a while you get a bad corner or whatever, you know, stuff happens. We're not going to judge anyone for that or whatever, but we'll take a look at what it looks like before and after, and you know, I got a little time this morning to do some cleaning, so we're going to do that. All right, let's get in here. That's fine. No, that's cool. So here it is. Whatever, you know, let's just get in there and, you know, oh wow. This is the tool. This is the BERTLIFE tool. I mean, this is why I haven't made a video in 6 months. I had no idea where this was.
Is that a selfie stick?
It's my selfie stick. All right, so here's the van. You can have a look-see. I mean, as you can see, I can work in this. It's possible, but you know, this is not efficient at all. And it reaches this point where it becomes a project just to get in here and to get my own tools out. And especially if I'm training, like I'm the guy setting the example for other people in the company and setting that standard. This has always been a problem that I've had personally, keeping my van clean as I go. So, but the importance of this is that you actually can be more efficient at your job because you can find what you need to and you know that you're not missing stock. And a lot of times with a messy van, I think I have something that I don't have, or I have 4 of something that I don't need and not what I actually need, that sort of thing. And then of course, when you're training someone and you say, go to the van, find, go to the van and get me some Hvac green. They're gonna be running all over the place in here looking for what I need. So yeah, so let's clean this up. And my hands are really talking a lot. So first step, when a van gets this bad, just get everything out of the van. We're gonna start over. So that's where we're at right now. You're trying to reorganize this much crap, really not gonna work. So let's get it all out, fresh start, clean this van. As you can see, I have spilled some stuff in my past. So we're probably gonna need to rinse and wash even the floorboards out if we want this van to be clean. If we got any chance. Just got a shovel laying around. This is the fun part. We actually get to throw everything out. And hopefully this doesn't take me too long. Let's unload. All right, so I got most of the floor space. Some floor space cleared, some floor space cleared. I've actually, yeah, you can see the ground in here. It's amazing. I found some things that I've ruined by letting my van get away like this. Yeah, that's my staple gun. It was in the spray glue and now it's trash. Found some treasures. This guy, I have really been missing this guy right here. It's my baby, and now it's all rusted out, but you know, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Whew. Perfect length right here. Some hole saws that I thought I was missing, even still in the package. I was about to buy another kit, so I found where those had gone. So all in all, it's not a total loss today, you know what I mean? We're actually gonna get something out of this. But that's where we're at in the process. I got a little list right here. So I'm gonna keep track of what I'm actually missing and then restock from the shop, and we'll be good. So what I actually need to do here is just, we can hire somebody to clean this van out for me and organize it, and then we'll finish this clip tomorrow, huh? Once it looks good, I should probably go home. Take this thing off. Nathan, you got someone that can clean all this up? I don't want anybody to drive over this. That was all Josh's mess. He's been with me a couple weeks, and this van is out of control. So we'll work on that though. We'll work on that with the new guys, you know. Okay, all right, so let's just show you midway where we're at now. Come look at my van. We're not done here. This is where we're at so far. This is where it gets actually really personal, because everyone sets up their van a little bit different. And my different, you know, it's good for me. And I set it up based on, no, I haven't. Did you see how dirty this was? Yeah. So I set up my van just based on convenience for me. You know, the stuff I'm going to use the most, I want to be able to grab right away. And actually, like my hose, I'm going to be pulling my hose down on every single job. So I literally just have it hanging on a strap right there. Maintenance bag, stuff I'm going to use on a maintenance, cleaning out drains, rags, try to keep all that stuff together. My cleaning equipment, this will be like for coils, all my cleaning stuff, clean in place. Something like my hacksaw. I'm pretty much never touching this as a service tech, so that's gonna go deep somewhere in the van where I don't have to bother. My gauge setup, probes, hoses, and scale. It's gonna be right next to what I'm using it for the most. So basically that's me setting up the van. Try to keep everything as close as I can. Making buckets really helps a lot, something like this, where you've themed. So you got a bucket for this, a themed bucket for replacing motors, all the stuff you need for strapping a capacitor, plumbing strap right next to the capacitors, that sort of thing really helps a lot. So this is me. This is pretty much where we're at right now. Oh, I literally have a gas tank in my van. This is rated for inside a vehicle. And Brian got this for me because I ran out of gas 5 times in the Kalis history. True story. So that's what goes on right here. There's that much. And so I got some brake fluid, some oil, and my gas. You know, it's my van maintenance stuff. So yeah, that's about as intimate as I really want to get with you guys in my van. So. as a technician, this is probably the most important thing, place, area for my mental sanity. Like when you got all this going on and you're driving in here, half your day's driving, it just starts to wear you down. Really starts to tear you down, you know what I mean? Inside. Brokenness, mental sanity, here we come. Yeah, so it's actually raining. So, but you know what? I'll show you a shot for sure once it's done, what it looks like in here, no doubt in my mind.